Hey, I'm just kind of doing a test to see how well the audio works on the dash cam. Just kind of give you a little preview of what it looks like when you run it in dual view, that's the only way you can run it in dual view. See if I can adjust it. Okay, got it adjusted a little bit better so you can see the road a little smoother. I normally run it where it's both pointing forward. That way I can get a little bit wider angle, and I don't really care the video myself going down the road. If I'm going to see anything, it's going to be out in front. It's not going to be my expression on my face when I see it. So here's what it sounds like. This is what it looks like in dual camera view. And in order to have the microphone on, there's a button on it you just push. It'll mute it or unmute it to have the mic on. And there's a button you have to press if you want to save the particular video that you're currently on, and it'll put a key at the top saying that it's locked down, so it won't delete it as it processes through. When I get home and get all the videos off of it, I'll look and see how many videos it'll actually hold. It's got a 32 gig SD card in it right now, micro SD. And once it fills up, it just goes to the oldest one and deletes it and records over it. So if you see something that you want to record, or that you want to keep that has been recorded, you just got to push the little lock button on it, and it locks out that particular video that you're currently on. You've got to really be watching it. You got to do it pretty quick, because if you're getting close to the end of one video, and it goes to the next one before you push that button, and you just have to make sure you get home and get that video off there right away, otherwise you've lost it. Once it goes back through the cycle, it's going to record over and you're going to lose that video. So you got to be pretty quick on the draw sometimes to hit that button. It's set up right now to go 5 minutes. That's the longest length of time it'll go before it'll start the next segment. That's kind of how I got it set up. That gives you a little more time, but if you see something in that particular session that you want to record, you've got plenty of time to hit that button, or a little bit better time to hit that button. Right now it's looking a little nasty outside. I was hoping to catch a little bit of snow. It was snowing earlier, but it turned to rain right now because it's warmed up. So it's kind of dreary out today. Let's get more snow tonight. And as you can see, it's got it's dated, so that's the day time is not correct because I didn't adjust it to daylight savings time, so it's an hour ahead. But here in a couple of weeks, we've got to adjust it back anyway, so I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. But it's a nice little dash cam. I have an unboxing of it. I've got other videos showing vacations in Canada that I took with it. I didn't do a lot of saving of video while we were up there, because there wasn't a whole lot that went on that I thought was really worth saving. And just driving down the highway, and it gets kind of boring after a while. See the same stuff over and over. So going up to Canada, there wasn't a whole lot of scenery really going in on the east side. The way we went in, we went up to Michigan and went up. I guess we crossed in Wisconsin, right there, around the Great Lakes, and went up into Canada there and went straight across. And it looks about like it does in the United States. It's not real spectacular. There, just went past my 5-minute mark, so I've got to hit the button again so I can save this. Now it'll save the next up to 5 minutes, which I'll be home before that is. Usually it takes about 7 to 8 minutes to get home. It's a pretty short trip. But that kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like with the audio and with the dual camera view on it. If you want to get one of them, be sure to check out my unboxing video and give you a little more close on hand look on it. But this kind of gives you what the video is going to look like, and the audio, what it sounds like. But it's kind of neat little dash cam. It'd be great for if you had you was doing Uber driving, or even if you wanted just you had your kids in the back and you wanted to record some of that, so you can kind of look up and see some of it. And if they behave in a certain way, you could record it and show it to them later to show them that they were acting like that. So. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. If you want to see more videos, just click over here and check them out. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Share with your friends, like it, and remember to strive to be the person your dog already thinks you are. Until next time.